Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Make It Make, where I always try to live by the motto, if you can't get it to make, then make it make. And I just want to share with you a fun recipe that our family and I, that we enjoy, and that's how to make homemade pizza.
Pizza night is always an exciting event in our house. There's just something about the whole process of making the pizza and putting it all together. It's fun being the maker. You can be as creative as you want. For this recipe, you will need olive oil, yeast, flour, sugar, and warm water. You do not have to have a KitchenAid mixer for this. You can knead all the dough in a bowl. First up, add your 1 packet of yeast to a bowl with 1 cup of warm water. Add 1½ teaspoons of sugar and whisk thoroughly. Set the yeast to the side in a warm place and allow it to just activate and bubble. Next, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Adding to that 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now mix all ingredients together, adding the yeast. Take some olive oil and spread it around a glass bowl. Now place the dough in the bowl. Cover it up and allow the dough to rise for 1 hour until it is doubled in size. Next, take the dough and start the kneading process. Sprinkle some cornmeal on top of your pizza dish. Then roll out your pizza dough to size. You can try to twirl like the pizza shops do, but that obviously didn't work out for me. Now you can start assembling your pizza. Once you're finished with your toppings, preheat the oven to 425 at a cooking time for 13 to 15 minutes.